Welcome to the installation process of Workable Action Automation for Workflows. Head over to your left-hand side and search for App Marketplace. Then you click on it. And then you search for the app and you click on it. Then click on Install. And head over to Allow and Install and click on it. When you are done with the installation, reload the page and then you head down to the custom page of the app. This interface is going to pop up with all its features, such as the documentation, and everything you need to begin your journey with the app is right in here. We have the tutorial feature, and in it, you're going to see the smart queue video that is going to guide you on how to get the credentials to set up your app. We have the setup feature. Let's walk you through on how to connect your app. Click on the Start Setup and you will be required a subdomain and an API key to complete the configuration. Head over to the account, click on your profile, and then you click on Settings. Scroll down and you click on Apps under Integration. Then you click on Generate an API key token and give a name. Select an expiring date, toggle on the first scope, and then you click on the Generate token. Copy a token, head over to your account, click on the Start Setup, and then you paste the token here. Head over to the account, copy the subdomain, and then you paste. Click on Complete Setup, and your app will be successfully connected. We have the support feature where you'll be able to submit a digital request via a ticket and schedule a one-on-one video session call with the support team. And as well, the change log feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements on this specific app. To stay updated, toggle on the notification button, insert your email, and click on subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up, and connect your app. Our support team is available for more guides and support. Thanks for watching.